Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA in my house. You guys know good and well that I'm not in no JA. I am in beautiful France. And if it's your first time to the channel, welcome to the Fam Bam. Big up on yourself. Alright, you guys, my little babies turn models. Okay, yes, you heard it right. My little babies turn models. So today's video is gonna be all about Tyler and Sarah. You'll find out why I say that. So today I'm collaborating with an amazing company by the name of Hibobi. Now Hibobi is an online clothing store for your kids. Let me tell you, they have the most cutest outfits ever. So if you want outfits, they even have family outfits. It's not just for the kids, but it's really mainly targeted to the kids. Hibobi reached out to me to do this collaboration. I got to choose a few outfits for the kids and I'll share those with you. I am actually surprised at how fast the package reached. I just did this last week and the package is here this week already. So I was pretty excited when I got the package. Now you guys will be getting a little surprise at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now I'll also be sharing photos of Tyler and Sarah with you guys, so you guys also stay tuned for those cute little outfits photos. So I'm gonna share with you guys the outfits that I got to choose from Hibobi. Now the package came, this is the package that came, and I am going to discover the outfits with you, though I choose them, but it's the first I'm seeing them in person. So I just opened the package. So as you guys can see, the package actually didn't come in just this. It came into this, and this was into a box. It was well sealed, you guys. Okay, so some of the outfits are Tyler's and some of them are Sarah's. So I'm gonna show you the outfits that I chose, and this one is for Tyler. Okay, so I chose this outfit for Tyler because it's really cute and I think it will fit him perfectly. And this is age 5'4", but they have size straight up to toddler, and for big kids I chose the 4'5" because that's the age of Tyler. And this is a really cute outfit that I chose for him. That's the top. It's a set actually, and this is the pants, and Tyler will look super dashy in this. All right, so there goes outfit one for Ty, and on it says insert sunlight. Isn't that the cutest? All right, so that's outfit one for Ty. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, this one is for Sarah. Let me show you for Sarah. So cute. Oh my god, isn't this the cutest? Okay, so this is a top with a little bow on the front, and the material is so good. It's light and it's really nice. All right, and it comes, oh my god, it comes with a little short skirt. So it's a short, you guys can see, but at the front it have a little thing that come across that is so cute. So that's one for Sarah, and this package is well packed. Okay, I also got them some shoes to go with their outfits. So this one is for Sarah. Isn't this so cute? And this is actually a light sneakers. So this is for Sarah. It looks super cute. And when you press the bottom, the light comes on and it changes color and it flashes. Isn't that so cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, so that's the shoes for Sarah to go with her outfit. And they have all sizes, so you guys don't have to worry about size. You have size and colors to choose from. And actually I must say that the size that I choose, it actually fit the size that you choose, so you don't have to worry about choosing a big size or a size up or a size down. Now this outfit is for Sarah. It's a really cute summer outfit. It's a top and a bottom, and it also comes with a headband. I think this one is a matching between she and tie, so it comes with a really cute headband to match. And there goes the shorts. Really cute. My girl will be ready for summer. All right, so that's for Sarah. When I find the matching one for Tyler, I'll show you. All right, this shoes is for Tyler, and it says Sport Me. Isn't that the cutest shoes ever? Oh my god. And to match this outfit, it will be perfect. So there goes a shoe for Ty. And like I tell you guys, the sizes are spot on. So Tyler wears a 31 and I chose a 31, and it's perfect. So there goes the pair, and it's very stylish and sporty, and the material, the quality looks really good. All right, let's see what we have here. This one is for Princess. Oh my god, look at this little dress. Ah! It's so cute. So this dress is for Sarah, and you can also turn this dress into a top if you realize. It have a little tie at the back, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put her in these outfits. Okay, this is a shoe for Sarah. I actually deliberately choose this one for Sarah because I choose the other Sport Me for Tyler, and I think this one will be super cute to match. Both of them having similar. It's so stylish. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute these shoes are. So you guys have to go over and order some stuff. So these are the shoes for Sarah. The shoes also lights up too, so I just wanted to point that out to you guys, that this one also have really cute lights. So when your kids walk, it will literally light up, which is so cute. Isn't that the cutest? Sarah will be in love with these shoes. And like I said, they have things in all sizes. Okay, this is the matching outfit for Tyler to match the outfit for Sarah that I showed you earlier. So they have matching kids things. So this is the shorts for Tyler, and this is the top that goes with it. Isn't that the cutest? And Tyler won't come with a little bow at the front, so they'll be matching. Let me grab Sarah on and show you the matching for both of them. So this is Sarah's and this is Tyler's, so they'll be matching with this outfit. So they have matching sibling outfit. If you guys want matching outfit, they have those. And the last outfit that is in here is I think this is for Sarah. So I have a high five sweat like the one I chose for Tyler, and the pants to go with it, which is super cute. It says sweet top on the back and says high five on the front, so that is super cute. So yeah, that's 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 outfit for Sarah and 2 outfit for Tyler. And let me just tell you guys that all of these things that I show you is under $100. All these things is literally right at $100. So you guys can go ahead and order some things from www.hibobi.com, and to make things a little bit sweeter and nicer for you guys, I am going to give you guys a discount code to get 10% off when you order things from www.hibobi.com. You can use the code Delaveaus, 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 10 to get 10% off when you go ahead and order from www.hibobi.com and get your grandkids some goodies, get your niece, your nephew, your kids some goodies, and you can get a good amount of things because the prices are reasonable. They always have sale, and you can download the app and order from your phone, or you can order from the computer. But yeah, go ahead and get you guys some goodies from hibobi.com. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a photo shoot with the kiddos. So you guys, this is my attempt to try and catch the kids photo. Come on, no, carry it, Tyler. So there goes Tyler. So there they are. So we're going outside to see if we can catch some photos of them. So I'll take it with these two pretty ones. Sarah, come here. Say hello to the faves. Fix your dress. Say hello to faves. Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. Look. Say hi. Sarah, look. Come say hello to the faves, Ty. You like your outfits?
Yes.
Yes.
I
All
love
right.
this one. It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite.
No.
All right. Awesome. Happy you like it. Look at this little one. Look at her being busy. Hey, girl. Say hi. Look. Look. Say hi. Say cuckoo. Miss Busy. She stay busy, man. She stay busy. Look at her. She's gone. On to go. On to go. Come here. 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 Hey, you. I love your shoes. Yes. You're pretty. Oh, you're showing them your light? Wow, look at your light in the dark. Wow. I must also share with you guys that Hibobi ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. Just click the link down in my bio, click the link in the comment section, and go and order whatever it is that you want for your precious little ones. You can order things for summer, winter. They have things for all occasion over there, for kids, for family, for Christmas, you name it. Hibobi, www.hibobi.com. Go get you some goodies. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and go over to hibobi.com and get your 10% off using my code Delaveaus, DELAVEAUS 10 to get 10% off on today.